Hello and welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the steps of leaving or exiting a circle on Life360 app. Whether you're changing your circle dynamics or simply looking for a bit of independence, you're in the right place. So let's begin. First thing first, ensure you have the Life360 application installed on your device. Now let's open the app. Once it's opened, navigate and tap on the arrow icon in the search bar at the top in order to select the circle you want to leave. Once done selecting, tap back on the arrow to proceed. Press the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen to access settings. Next, tap on the circle management to proceed further. Amongst these various options, tap on Leave Circle at the bottommost. Life360 will prompt you to confirm your decision to leave the circle, including the fact that you'll no longer be able to see or share location with the specific circle. Tap on Yes to finalize your departure. And that's it. You're no longer a part of that circle anymore. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.